Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the term occasional poetry. Introduction. Occasional poetry, as the name suggests, is a genre of poetry that is written to mark or commemorate specific occasions. These occasions can range from personal events like birthdays and marriages to historical or public events such as military victories, dedications and anniversaries. The main purpose of occasional poetry is to celebrate, memorialize, or reflect upon these moments, capturing the essence of the event and its significance. This video explores the characteristics of occasional poetry and analyzes some renowned examples from different periods of literary history. Historical context and definition. Occasional poetry has a rich history dating back to ancient times, where poets wrote verses to honor gods, kings, and heroes on various occasions. In the English literary tradition, occasional poetry became more prominent during the Renaissance and Baroque periods. It was a popular form of expression for writers like Edmund Spenser, John Milton, and Andrew Marvell, who penned poems to commemorate weddings, deaths, and political events. The genre continued to evolve over the centuries, witnessing notable contributions from poets like Alfred Lord Tennyson, W.B. Yeats, and W.H. Auden in more modern times. Themes and characteristics. Occasional poems encompass a wide range of themes and emotions. They can be joyful, solemn, patriotic, or introspective, depending on the nature of the occasion being celebrated or mourned. The poet's mastery lies in capturing the essence of the event, evoking emotions that resonate with the readers even beyond the specific occasion. These poems often employ vivid imagery, figurative language, and powerful rhetoric to create a lasting impact. Exemplary occasional poems. Edmund Spenser's Epithalamion. Written on the occasion of his own marriage to Elizabeth Boyle, Epithalamion is a beautiful celebration of love and matrimony. Spenser employs rich descriptive imagery and the use of classical mythology to depict the bride's beauty and joyous union. John Milton's Lycidas. This elegy was composed to mourn the untimely death of Edward King, a young poet and Milton's friend. Lycidas not only laments the loss of an individual, but also addresses broader themes of mortality and the challenges faced by poets. Alfred Lord Tennyson's The Charge of the Light Brigade. This poem commemorates the bravery and sacrifice of British soldiers during the Battle of Balaclava in the Crimean War. Tennyson's vivid descriptions and rhythmic verses immortalize the valor of the soldiers. W.B. Yeats's Easter 1916. Yeats reflects on the Easter Rising in Ireland and the execution of several revolutionaries. The poem captures the transformation of public sentiment and the impact of political events on the nation. W.H. Auden's September 1, 1939. Written in response to the outbreak of World War II, Auden's poem reflects on the turmoil and uncertainty of the time. It contemplates the human condition and the need for hope and unity in the face of adversity. Conclusion. Occasional poetry has been a significant and enduring form of literary expression throughout history. It allows poets to commemorate significant moments, both personal and public, while also capturing the essence of human emotions and experiences. The examples mentioned in this video showcase the diversity and enduring power of occasional poetry as they continue to resonate with readers across generations. So this was the discussion on the term occasional poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.